What's up, real life traders and traders from around the world and on YouTube? This is Robert Falco from Real Life Trading, and we've gotten some requests about how to sell puts in TOS. So again, this is not going to be a long video about the strategy, particularly when to do it, managing risk, all that good stuff, but just how to do it in the broker. So make sure that you are familiar with when's a good spot to sell puts and how to manage your risk, all that fun stuff. But I saw an opportunity today, well, I see it right now, to sell a put in Pinterest, and I'm going to be looking to sell the 55 put. So it's down below the 200 moving average. It is over earnings. Pinterest is down about 20% from the all-time high. And I'm just going to go to the expiration that I want. So I'm going to pick regular May. So it's May 21st of 2021 here on the broker. So again, just select the month that you want, go down to the strike price that you want. Obviously puts are on the right, calls are on the left. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to hover over the bid, because that's what you sell at and you buy at the ask. And now the bid is 89, the ask is 91. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here. I'm just going to go at 90. I'm pretty sure I'll get an instant fill. And then I'm going to come in and I'm only going to sell one right now since it is over earnings, willing to buy more shares on a pullback. But just as an example, selling, so -1, Pinterest, here's your expiration, 21, May 21, strikes 55. It is a put. I'm going to ask for 90 cents. And since it moved a little bit, we'll see if we get filled. It is a limit order and it's going to be good for the day. Confirm and send. Now you can come in down here and see my buying power effect is only $550. Obviously, since I have the highest option underwriting ability, it's not going to put the full 5,500 on hold, but you do know that it is a 5,500 stock buy. And I'm going to come in and click send. Now, since the bid did move, I think I'm going to end up getting put on the ask here at 90. Yep. So there's my order on Pinterest at 90 cents. So I can either wait to see if that'll get filled, or if I want to get filled right away, like for this video, I don't really care about $1. I'm gonna come in, click on cancel replace. I'm gonna go down to 89 cents and hit confirm and send. And there we go. There is the instant fill. So $89 credit, 89 cents times 100 shares, $89 credit to my account. And now if Pinterest on May 21st, this broken line right here, if Pinterest is below $55, so $54.99 or lower, I will be buying 100 shares of Pinterest. But that's how you sell puts on the Thinkorswim platform. So once again, that's just how you do it. It's not specifically when, risk management, all that stuff. We have plenty of other videos for that. If you like and want more of that information, make sure to check us out at reallifetrading.com. Click the subscribe button down below. Give us that thumbs up, and love life, live life, trade it, everyone. Thanks so much.